What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. So today we're going to go through the three most recent pickups that I've got. I got some crazy good deals on these pairs, so we're going to kind of get into where I got them from and what sites are doing these really good sales right now. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing these three pairs. Okay, and here they are, three pairs, two from Foot Patrol and one from End Clothing. Which one should we get into first? Boost. And that's one from End. Oh, one thing to note, I really like End. I really like End's packaging. They always send you a nice box so it doesn't get damaged, and it's always they leave a note and everything in there saying thank you with the invoice and everything. Not a massive deal, but when brands do make the extra effort and send you a nice box that protects your shoe box, I think that's really cool and really important, because we can look over here. This just came in a bag and already it's dinged up. We've got a little dent there, and this box just looks pretty like it has been through some shit. When it's a nicer pair of shoes, you don't want the box to get damaged. So there we go, another pair of Boost shoes. And there you go, you've got a sneaker box. If you're ever selling on StockX, this fits perfectly. A shoe box fits perfectly in here, so save that if you're ever selling on StockX. A Reebok pair here, and an Adidas one, and another Adidas one. The Pulseboost. We have the Pulseboost HD from Adidas. Notably, obviously, this is not like a new model or anything. I picked these up for, what did I pay, 58, and originally they're 120, so massive saving on them. The Boost is a little bit different. It has like a different texture, different color, so it's a little bit gray and white. It looks like it has like a little bit of a gray touch to it. But on the, you'll see Boost HD there. So I think there might be something that's slightly different with the Boost, but in terms of like, it's still, Boost is Boost. You're not gonna really feel it underfoot. So around the ankle area, that's just really elasticated fabric or elasticated knit. So you can slide your foot in there. An all white insole. So they're definitely differentiating the Boost HD to the regular Boost. I've tried a pair of these on, and it's not, you don't really feel a massive difference at all. It pretty much just feels like regular Boost. These are just like an extremely comfortable pair of Boost shoes, and you can get them right now, just over half price right now. So 50% off on these, and I got these on End. Pair number two, we'll get into these. These are the Solar Hue Pharrell Williams shoes. These released quite a while ago, and they've released in like multiple colors. I know that they've got, laces are all dyed. Okay, so there's all this shit on the laces where it's got some sort of dye on it. What the hell is that from? Okay, well, I don't know if you could pick that up on camera, but there's some sort of staining going on the laces. That's shit. I got these for 55 pounds. Sorry, I was talking in pounds. If I said dollars, I forget. I don't know. It's confusing, but yeah, 50. So these were $58. So this is 58 pounds, down from 120. These were originally 140, and I picked them up for 55 pounds. Like, it looks extremely similar to an Ultra Boost, but the construction feels considerably cheaper. The padding is very minimal. This whole tongue is very thin and feels quite cheap. It feels like there's less boost than an Ultra Boost. I don't know whether I'm actually right on that. You've got Continental outsole, same as an Ultra Boost. The upper, you do have an embroidered HU or hue, so that's on this kind of like mesh material on the toe box. I wouldn't pay retail for these. I wouldn't pay 140 for these. I don't think it's worth it. But 55, why the hell not? 55 is such a good deal. You're getting well over half price. And these are on Foot Patrol. I'm sure they've still got some, maybe this colorway, so maybe some other ones. I know they do these in like a gray, maybe even purple. They do them in all black. So last but not least, the Zig Kinetica Type 1 concept from Reebok. This shoe is pretty crazy. Now, I got these for a bargain. So I got these from Foot Patrol, and originally they were 150, and I got them for 80 bucks. So 80 pounds. Like, I think the strap is like the boldest part on this shoe. But yeah, you get this kind of this strap around the top of the shoe, I guess, to add extra support. Obviously it's going to be like a bit of a style statement as well. You can adjust and move around, and then obviously snap back into place like that, so it's nice and tight. You can also take it off, so you've got these little bits over here, and with the material you can just pull it off, and that is a metal piece that connects it to the material in there. So if I slide it back in, so that happens on both sides, so you can remove the strap if you don't like it, but it is there. It looks quite cool. Now in terms of materials, the materials on this are quite nice. There's a lot of felt-like suede material, and that starts on the toe box and kind of moves around the shoe. There's a lot of overlays and different layering of the materials, and also you'll notice that at the front of the shoe, if I slide this out, you can see inside of it. So it's got that transparent mesh material. If you can see my fingers. I have a pull tab on the tongue, which again is this, it feels really nice, this felt material. It feels solid. And you also have a pull tab on the back, same felt material. And the ankle area is padded, but is this kind of felt material. And some people kind of feel like that rubs, especially if you're wearing ankle socks. And yeah, that's kind of true. Like, you'll find that on a lot of Nike shoes, like maybe the Element Reacts. They have that kind of just raw cutout felt material on the ankle area, which yeah, could potentially rub if you're wearing ankle socks. It's rock solid, so the midsole is pretty hard. So it's not going to be anything incredibly soft, like as opposed to the two other shoes that I got with Boost. But comfort level is still there. It feels like a nice, comfy pair of shoes. They are, one thing to note is they are quite heavy. So they're a heavy shoe. They're not super light. They feel well constructed, and a lot of materials and thought went into this pair of shoes. Some blue and purple, and the top felt material, which is blue, starts from the back of the ankle and sort of fades into this green color, which you'll see kind of overlays and underneath the tongue area. In terms of sizing, relatively on the other two Boost shoes, definitely true to size. This one, it fits a little bit big. It is wide foot friendly. And you can go down half a size or get true to size. You'll be fine with both, but definitely don't go up half a size because I think it will be too big. Foot Patrol and Size, I'd say, are two really good sites to check out. They've got some awesome shoes for sale, and they've got some 4Ds, some of the like the ZX 4000 or whatever they're called. The 4Ds, they're like half price, I think. Obviously the ones that I showed you, so these two, they're from Foot Patrol, and I got them for super low. Also check out End. They've got an extra 15% off of their sale, which is pretty cool. So extra 15% off of their, like, I think up to 60%. So you can find some good deals on there, as well as Adidas is doing an extra 20% off of their end of season 50% sale. So check them out as well. And go snag yourself some deals, bitch. Check out the sales. There is some good ones. That is the video. Thank you very much for watching.